assistant professor of civil engineering, but also taking the courses like human values, ethics, all these type of courses. And basically, he belongs from the Brahma Kumari's mission, and he is very expert of the Raj Yoga. Uh, we we also attended several sessions for him. Now, I'd like to invite Harenji to kindly take the session of stress management.
Thank you very much, sir, for introducing me. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
Yeah.
You're
Okay.
audible.
So it is audible. I welcome you all in this faculty development program, and I was listening to the last session, so that was related to some cyber crime. In the continuing session, uh, in this session, I will be discussing some aspects related to stress management. Okay, I think when we hear this term, stress management, so everyone is interested in that, looking like that. So it will be some different thing for you. So whatever you were listening in the last session, so this is something different session. So you will also be, I will be trying to make it more and more interesting. कैसे हो सकता है? So I think we should start now, right? Harsh sir, can I take the permission? Yeah.
Yes,
So,
yes, sir. Please.
जो ऑडियंस है वो सब सुन रहे हैं, उनको क्लोज किया हुआ है, एंड आई एम स्पीकिंग एंड दे आर लिसनिंग टू मी. इज इट? या.
Yes, sir.
Before we start this session, I want to ask one question. Whatever is our lifestyle, या जो भी हमारी डेली रूटीन होती है, वी विल बी मेकिंग इट हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश बोथ कन्वर्जेशन, बिकॉज वी all are in UP. So I think we can understand in much better in the combination of Hindi and English languages. So whatever is our lifestyle, जो भी हमारी डेली रूटीन है, जो भी how to deal with the problems. So whatever is that.
Excuse me, Harenji.
Yeah.
Harenji, one more information. The participants are from all over the India. From UP, there are hardly 10 to 15 participants, and rest are the 40 participants are from all over the India.
Okay, that's
So
very nice.
it will be better when you will take in English.
Yeah, that's okay. Okay. So whatever is our lifestyle, or whatever how to deal with the problems, uh, I want to ask one question. Do you want any change in that, or do you think is there any need of some kind of transformation, or whatever how you are dealing with the problems, or there is need of some change? So I think when I ask this question, so everyone, I cannot get the reply from your side. It is something like one-way conversation. So I'm speaking, but because we are not meeting physically, when we are meeting physically, so it happens I'm asking the question, you are giving the reply. So at this time it is not possible. So when I am saying I want to ask question, so you just need to ask yourself. Ki, whatever you can ask yourself, and whatever will be the answer, you can also listen in yourself, if what answer you are getting from your own. So the question is that do you need do you think there is need of any kind of transformation in that, right? So I think everyone will be giving the answer, there is need of, because nobody is perfect and everyone is looking at how the things could be more and more better, like that, right? When you see there are three types of people in the world, I think I can also share in the whiteboard, so that will be better. Can I be allowed for the whiteboard?
Yes, please.
Okay. So the first question is that in himself or herself, right? So this is the thing. Everyone thinks for making some kind of transformation. Now there are three types of people in the world. When you see, there are three types of people. What? Where is the cursor? So when you see first type of person, you will find many people when they are talking about the things. So most of the time they are talking about the प्लेटफॉर्म दैट इज एट द इंटरनेशनल लेवल और नेशनल लेवल. समटाइम्स अगर लेवल कभी कुछ डाउन होता है तो इट मे बी अबाउट द स्टेट लेवल. So you will find there are 40 to 50% those who are having these types of people. They think there should be change at the level of world, or it may be at the international level or national level. You will also find 40 to 50% are like that. They see there is need of the change with whom they are living, whatever is the society. So they are living in whichever society, they need some kind of change in that. Okay, and there are very few people who thinks there is need of, and there are very few people who think there is need to change ourselves. So when I have asked this question, do you think there is need of any kind of change in yourself? So when we feel this kind of thing, so we can say we are in that 1 or 2 or 3%. So first thing starts ki we need to change ourselves. Okay, next question also arises is that ki whatever kind of change we need to see in ourselves. So what is that change? Which type of change? कि कौन सी ऐसी quality है? If we adopt that quality, then it will be better for us. And whatever is the weakness, that if that is removed from our inside, then it will be more better, and our life can be more beautiful, right? So exactly for that, I can also ask one question again. Whatever is the lifestyle, it generally happens. Many of the people or most of the people experience any kind of stress, fear, and anxiety. So this is really happens. And whatever is the thing whenever we are having the stress. Okay, so stress is something related to engineering also. I just go in the depth of this term stress. How do we define the stress? So you can easily say there is a difference between pressure and stress. Okay, so this was the whiteboard. When you define the term pressure is something external thing in engineering. When you generally these terms are pressure and stress, these are related to the mechanics. When we study the mechanics, so we study, and in the mechanics we study about the behavior of any object when various forces are subjected to that. So similarly, if we are talking about the mechanics of our nature, our behavior, then we can say how will be our behavior when various forces are subjected to ourselves, right? So agar koi external circumstances is there, and how I will be behaving in that, so that we study in the stress, and we study in the mechanics. And in the mechanics, when we define the term stress, it is something like pressure divided by resilience, right? Pressure divided by resilience. Pressure is something, you can say it is external thing. How do you define the pressure? Pressure is defined as, pressure you can define like, pressure is defined as force per unit area. Okay, pressure you can say it is something external thing. You cannot, it is not generally in our head. Most of the time we also see pressure, it is not in our head, but stress is in our hand. How do you define the pressure? It is force divided by area. Okay.
So sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah.
The whiteboard is not visible.
Visible.
It,
Is it
it,
not
it is
visible?
not visible. Yeah.
Okay. How it could be visible? Share.
Just share your
Yeah.
screen. Just share your screen.
Is it visible now?
No, sir.
So kindly share Jamboard code.
Jamboard is, it is there. I'm right.
There
Also
is a
writing.
Jamboard code. You can share this.
It is showing shared with one person. It is restricted from the who is controlling all this thing. So I think it requires the permission for that. Restricted only people added. Okay, there is no need of this. We can also discuss like. So when you define pressure, it is something like force divided by area. Okay. So when area is small, you can say there will be larger amount of pressure. Okay. Pressure is external. Similarly, you can also connect it with our behavior. Suppose you have to do some task and some amount of some duration is given to you. Uh, just for example, so many students are there. Uh, we also most of us may be related to the teaching institute, or some students are also there, PhD students or MTech students are there. So suppose we study 4 or 5 subjects in one semester. So we have 5 semesters for 5 months, for 5 or 6 months for one semester. So when we are studying for the whole time, or whatever we are using the time in a worthwhile manner, then it's okay. But if we are not studying for the whole semester, and we are having only 7 days to complete the whole course, so it will cause some pressure. If you have more amount of work but lesser duration is given to you, you will feel you will get the pressure. That is something external. Okay. Stress is something like it is divided by pressure divided by resilience. Pressure is not in our hand. Whatever is happening in the society or whatever other things at the present time, we can also think due to COVID-19, it is not in our control. Okay, but resilience, it is something related to the inner strength. What we can do with the inner strength, we can increase that. And we can also not make the responsible pressure for stress. If we say pressure is responsible for our for my stress, then generally it is not the reason, because for there will be different people, 4 or 5 people are there, they are having the same pressure, but their behavior may be different, right? So what is in our hand, we can enhance our resilience, our strength. Okay, so same thing we are also doing. Suppose this is the rainy season, and after that uh, winter season will be coming, and suppose we say it is very cold today and इतना ज़्यादा सर्दी है, इतनी ज़्यादा it is too much cold, ऐसे में बीमार तो पड़ना है. So it is not something like that, because we need to take care of that कि क्या क्या हमें management क्या क्या manage करना है. We have to wear the cold clothes like that. We cannot say, when we are saying this statement कि pressure is responsible for my stress, I can never get rid of that stress. First thing that we need to understand that. Okay. Another thing that we can say related to, if I'm continuing in that, generally it happens. First thing that we also need to understand, when we are having the fear, anxiety, or stress, then it will reduce my inner strength. It will reduce. Suppose you do a lot of work, आप दिन रात मेहनत करते हैं, पढ़ाई करते हैं, कुछ भी करते हैं, but during the exam time, it happens like if some kind of thoughts come in our mind. If अगर मैंने ज्यादा नहीं कर पाया, ये अच्छा नहीं कर पाया, ये negative thoughts जो भी आते हैं, so that they will cause some negative impact. So we also need to get rid of, we also need to reduce this stress, right? How we can do that? First, the basic thing starts from the basic concept. When we are going for the concept, so basic concept starts with our thoughts level. What kind of thoughts are we are creating, or what kind of thoughts are there? There is a process. Process is like something like that. We can say the things starts from our thinking. So whatever is the quality of our thoughts and how we are thinking, so whatever are our thoughts and how we are thinking, it will lead to my feeling. जैसा हम सोच रहे होंगे, कहीं ना कहीं फील भी वैसा ही कर रहे होंगे. Thoughts lead to feeling, and whatever or how we feel the things, feeling leads to our attitude. जो भी हम feel कर रहे होते हैं, वैसे ही हमारा attitude होता है, and our attitude leads to our habit, and habit finally leads to our personality, and that is our destiny. That leads to our destiny. Okay, how it becomes, you can say thoughts say feeling, feelings attitude. Attitude, you can say it is something like when we think something like that, there are different level of our mind. There are basically, generally people define in psychology, there are 3 different level of our mind. One is called conscious mind. We can see here people are who are really getting connected, so we will be having some kind of conscious mind is active. If we are in our daily life, when we are doing the work, our conscious mind, and many times when we are sleeping, and sometimes we are also in unconscious mind. Okay, so one is conscious mind, another is unconscious mind, and third is subconscious mind. So actually many times it happens, we think so many things in the deep. Okay, जैसे कई बार होता है ना, आप कोई गाड़ी होती है, जब वो मड में फंस जाती है, कीचड़ में फंस जाती है, तो it gets the wheel of that vehicle getting slipped again and again. तो वैसे लगता है कि लाइफ में कुछ चीजें आती हैं, हम उनके बारे में बार बार सोच रहे हैं. वही क्यों बार बार हम सोच रहे हैं? We are thinking the thing, we are thinking about the same thing for the whole day, for the whole hour, like that. So many times it happens. Okay, so what happens in that time, actually things are going in our subconscious mind. Some of you may also have heard about one sentence, when those who are related to Hindi. So there was one alankar like yamak alankar was the example of that. Was kanak kanakte sauguni, is tarah se hota hai. If someone finds the gold, or someone take there is one you can say one plant of dhadura. So that is something like poison. So in both the cases, people get mad, or their life is destroyed. So there are generally 2 types of, there is nothing like zero state, या तो positive होगी या negative. So some you can also understand it like that. Many times it happens if the thing is something like बहुत ज्यादा अगर कुछ गम की बात हो या दुख की बात हो तो भी वो व्यक्ति को डिप्रेशन की तरफ ले जाती है। अगर कोई भी चीज, व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से, कि जो भी चीज सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में जाना चाहिए, that must be of stability. If that thought is not of the stability level, or that thought is not enhancing our stability level, then it will lead to ourselves towards the depression. अगर बहुत खुशी की बात है तो भी वो डिप्रेशन की तरफ लेके जाएगी. इन द साइकोलॉजी वी डिफाइन दिस थिंग, बट जनरली इट आल्सो हैपेंस कि अगर दुख की बात है तो भी पीपल गो इन द डिप्रेशन. अगर बहुत सुख की बात है कि बिकॉज बोथ द थिंग्स आर नॉट स्टेबल. we will take this thing later on, how I'm saying that thing, because अगर बहुत ज्यादा एक्सट्रीम हैप्पीनेस वाली एक्सट्रीम उसकी बात होगी, जो कुछ मिलने की बात होगी, बहुत सारा कुछ किसी को मिल गया या बहुत सारा कुछ चला गया, in both the cases you will not be feeling the stability, and people generally lead to they feel some stress, some kind of stress like that. Okay, so this was about the attitude. So whatever we are thinking and how we are feeling the things, it will lead to our attitude. Next thing is whatever is our attitude is something which happens happens in our mind, जो अंदर में चल रहा होता है. When it comes in our body language, it becomes our habit. Okay, and habits finally lead to the personality. Okay, I take one example here. Suppose somebody doesn't know how to swim, and he thinks swimming is very difficult. I can never swim like that. So what will happen in that case? So you will also feel that swimming is very difficult. I can never swim. Okay, what will happen? It will go when you are thinking it more and more time. It will go in your subconscious mind, and एक छाप लग जाएगी कि ये तो मेरे से नहीं होने वाला. I can never swim. Okay, and when in this situation, if you go to some pond or river, or you go inside that, उस सिचुएशन में फिर जब हैबिट है तो आपके हाथ पैर भी काम नहीं करेंगे, आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज में वो चीज आ गई, तो वो एक हैबिट की तरह है, और इट विल लीड टू योर पर्सनालिटी. तो एक छोटा सा थॉट था, कई बार हम सोचते हैं कि सोच ही तो रहे हैं, लेकिन एक छोटा सा थॉट हमें किस तरफ ले जा सकता है, एक थॉट की ही बात होती है कि एक सोच है वो हमें बहुत ऊपर की तरफ भी ले जा सकती है और बहुत नीचे की तरफ ले सकती है. माइंड इज वेरी एनर्जेटिक. जो मन है वो बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जेटिक होता है, उसके लिए कुछ भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं होता है, बट क्लैरिटी मस्ट बी देयर. ओके, आई आल्सो टेक वन एग्जांपल हियर. जनरली इट आल्सो हैपेंस इन आवर life when we see most of us who are related to some company or industry, they will also be taking the interviews of the people, and in the present time, or if you see in the last decade or last 2 decades, when we go for the interview, all of us may have given so many interviews, or may also have taken so many interviews. So what actually happens, there are 2 types of things. 2 things are interviews. People generally, there are basically 2 rounds. One is technical round. So they check our technical knowledge, how much we have adopted that, because all of us are related to the field of science and technology. So it is not only we know the things, we know the theoretical things. At the same time, we also need to think whether we are able to apply that knowledge practically. So intelligence is something like the right application of the knowledge at the right place, in the right time, in the right way. So that is something like intelligence. So in the first technical round, they check our intelligence quotient, कि हम theoretical knowledge भी जानते हैं और practical के साथ उसको रिलेट कर पा रहे हैं, प्रैक्टिकल में हम कर पा रहे हैं कि नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. They generally check this thing. Another thing they generally check, that is called emotional quotient, EQ. Okay, so actually what happens when we are studying, or whether we are doing BTech or research, we are doing, so we are doing it individually. Okay, so many times it happens people perform very nice when they are at the individual level, but when they uh, go in a team, so when you are in a company, you are working in a company, or you are having your own entrepreneur, you are having your own business, so whatever, you will be having a team. So it becomes very, very important कि how I am behaving, or how I am how is my reactions in a teamwork. Okay, personally बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, we see many students, they are personally बहुत अच्छा करते हैं, they are having 80%, 90%, 85%, but when they are having a project when 5 or 10 students are there, so they are not able to do it better. So in the intelligence, in the emotional quotients, they check our emotional strength, how much we are emotionally strength. Okay, I also ask one question. We need to do this homework. I think you will be having some paper or pen with yourself. You can also write that thing. The question is that suppose you are you have to assume yourself as you are some representative from your institute or your company. You are working in a company or your institution, and people send you to some other institute for taking the interviews of the people, and you have to get them the job. Okay, आपको उन्हें जॉब देना है, या जो कुछ भी you will be giving them 50,000, 1 lakh, 20,000, like that, some amount you have to give, and you have to select them. So what kind of quality you will see in them? Okay, so you can do your own homework कि आप किसी को कुछ आप किसी दूसरे का जब इंटरव्यू ले रहे होंगे तो आप उसमें क्या क्या चीजें चेक करते होंगे. So at the same time my responsibility also occurs. This should also be my responsibility, whether I'm having those qualities or not, like that. Okay, so you will also find one thing, when you go for so many qualities, you will be looking like he should be creative, his IQ level should be very nice, he is able to so many qualities will be there. Okay, when you summarize all the qualities, one term in the management that is generally used, that is called leadership quality. Leadership quality is a term in which all the qualities comes there. Leader means I think you will be relating something like it political issue, like that. It is leader is a very big term. लीडर के पास जो क्वालिटी होती है उसके अंदर सारी क्वालिटीज होनी चाहिए, दैट इज लीडर. लीडर बहुत बड़ा टर्म होता है. देयर इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन लीडर एंड मैनेजर. लीडर इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग. ओके, सो लीडरशिप क्वालिटी इज देयर. ओके, at this time I am also taking one example. Again you need to ask yourself, suppose you are working in a team, or you are working for a project. So there is a team of 10 people, and you have to do some project, whether it is software based, hardware based, whatever is there, and you have 7 days or 10 days for completing that project. You work for that. Okay, आप रात दिन मेहनत करते हैं, जो कुछ भी आपसे बनता है अच्छे से अच्छा करते हैं. What happens in the last day, due to some reason or whatever happens, that project collapses, or it is not working, and at the same time or in the same day you have to present that, and it is not able to be present. Okay, so life में ऐसी बहुत सारी बातें आती हैं, बहुत सारे हमेशा चीजें हमारे अनुकूल नहीं होती है. हम बहुत बार होगा कि चीजें, the things are not in our favor. So many things लाइफ में बहुत सारे ऐसे भी क्षण आते हैं, व्यक्ति को लगता है कि everything is destroyed और everything is finished और something is finished. मैंने इतनी मेहनत की और ये सब सारी मेहनत बर्बाद चली गई, अगर ये होता तो ये ना. तो what at that time I ask, when that project collapses, and at the same time you also have to present the things. So what will be your reaction, or what will be the reaction of the people, all the 10 people? Generally, you can also ask the answer from yourself. Generally, what happens, or it is generally seen, एक ब्लेमिंग गेम चलता है कि इसकी वजह से हो गया, उसकी वजह से हो गया. नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज दैट हु कैन बिकम द लीडर एट दैट टाइम? कभी परिवार में भी ऐसे होता है, फैमिली में भी ऐसे होता है कि बहुत सारा कुछ नुकसान हो गया, बहुत सारा डिस्ट्रॉयड हो गया, फिर कुछ फिनिश हो गया, तो भी लगता है कि हु कैन बिकम द लीडर एट दैट टाइम. ओके, सो व्हाट क्वालिटी, उसके कौन सी क्वालिटी उसके अंदर होनी चाहिए? You will be getting the answer of that. I also say the first fundamental leadership quality is to remain stable irrespective of any situation, any circumstance. कोई भी सिचुएशन हो, कैसी भी बात हो, अपने आप को स्टेबल रखना, दैट इज द फर्स्ट फंडामेंटल. कोई कहेगा क्रिएटिव होना चाहिए, इंट्यूसिबल चाहिए, खुद की गलती एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए, वो सारी बात की बातें हैं कि मेरी वजह से हुआ, दूसरे पर ब्लेम ना करें, ये बहुत सारी बात की बातें हैं. लेकिन फर्स्ट फंडामेंटल क्वालिटी इज, फर्स्ट फंडामेंटल लीडरशिप क्वालिटी इज टू रिमेन स्टेबल irrespective of any situation. Once a time, someone asked Swami Vivekanand, what is spirituality? How will you define the spirituality? Okay. So he told, all of us will be having some definition of spirituality. Spirituality की क्या-क्या definition होनी चाहिए. All of us we will be having. हर किसी के मन में होता है कि spirituality ये है, किसी के लिए ये है, किसी के लिए ये है. So someone sometimes we connect with the religion, sometimes we connected with the puja part. So many things are there. So whatever he told, so he told stability in our thoughts and emotions is called the spirituality. हमारे thoughts में और emotions में stability होना, उसको spirituality कहते हैं. अब एक again I also need to check one belief system here. Generally, when we say stability in the thoughts and emotions is the stability, what should be the right age of adopting spirituality? Spirituality को adopt करने की right age क्या होनी चाहिए? I ask that question. So how many of you think it should be after 60 or 70? So many times people think after 60 or 70 we will be going for adopting the spirituality. This is not our age. So whether we are 20, 30, 40 years like that, it is not our age for adopting spirituality. I give you some reasons. So what should be the right age for adopting spirituality? I think as early as possible, because there are many reasons. एक चीज तो ये है कि we are having the challenging situation at this time, whether you are studying or you are working or whatever is the age. When you are having the age of 20 to 40, this is the most challenging age in the life. Okay, when you go to 60 or 70, you will not be having or you will not be facing these kind of challenges. आपके सामने उस समय इतने सारे challenges नहीं होंगे. अभी आपके सामने बहुत सारे challenges हैं, फैमिली को लेकर के होंगे, स्वयं के कैरियर को लेकर के होंगे. तो at this is the right age of adopting spirituality. Second reason is when you learn anything, you will see, you will be looking for the most benefit of that. Okay, so when you are adopting it in the early age, so you will be able to use that spirituality or that stability for the whole life. And suppose when you are earning this, you are learning this or you are learning or adopting this spirituality at the age of 60 or 70. So in how many days or how many years you will be getting benefited of it? So I think it should be as early as possible. And one worm is also in our mind, in the people, and one belief system is also there. What is like that? Generally, people think in one hand there is materialistic life and in another hand it is spiritual life. एक तरफ materialistic life है, एक तरफ spiritual. Whether we adopt this or whether we adopt this, this is not the right thing. Okay, we need to keep the balance. If we are not keeping the balance between these two, we cannot. If you become the completely materialistic and you do not look for the stability of your mind and इमोशंस, और यू डोंट थिंक अबाउट दैट कि मन तो जो कर रहा है करने दीजिए या जो कुछ भी है. वी जस्ट हैव टू think for the luxurious things or materialistic thing or the physical things. Our life will become very bad. Okay, so again it is very important, we need to keep the balance of this belief system should be there. Just I also give you one example here. आपकी जो भी अभी आप जो भी काम कर रहे हैं या जो भी पढ़ रहे हैं या जो भी कर रहे हैं, एक आपके मन में होता है कि आई हैव टू वर्क, और साथ ही साथ अपने फिजिकल हेल्थ का भी ख्याल रखना है. यू नेवर से पहले तो मेरा काम हो जाए, सब कुछ हो जाए, वो या पढ़ लूं, बाद में फिजिकल हेल्थ के लिए सोचा जाएगा. आप दोनों का बैलेंस रखते हैं, बिकॉज यू थिंक if you are healthy, then you will be able to learn the things in a better way. Okay, or your study or your work will be more benefited like that. Okay, so so when you concerned about the physical health, what about the emotional health? Okay, so we also need to take care of that. When we are emotionally strong, then we will be able to physically strong, and also we will be getting the more benefit in our work. Okay, there is one slogan like when we जब हम लोग बीमार होते हैं या we are getting ill, we go for medication. Okay, you take the medicine. Similarly, at the same time, when we are emotionally ill, okay, so when we are having anger, stress, fear, like that, so getting rid of all these negative things, we also there is only one thing that can make us free from all these things or all these negative things. That is only the meditation. Meditation is there that can make our life beautiful. जो इमोशनली स्ट्रॉन्ग करने का और कोई आपको कोई दवा नहीं मिलेगी. You can only do it by meditation. Okay, I also give you some idea or some hint towards that. I will not be going in the deeper in that, but I will be looking for what we need to do what we need to practice in the meditation. Okay, in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, you may have heard about the term Rajyog. Okay, all of you may have heard about the Rajyog. Rajyog term is there. Swami Vivekananda also had written a book on the Rajyog, and he has also elaborated this Rajyog meditation. And actual whatever right technique of the meditation, that is basically the Rajyog. Okay, there are two terms in the Rajyog. One is Raj and another is Yog. Raj means to have the controlling power. अभी जो हम सभी की लाइफ भी एक्सपीरियंस हम चाहते तो नहीं, लेकिन हमसे हो जाता है. वी डोंट हैव द कंट्रोल ओवर आवर बॉडी ऑर्गन्स, आवर माइंड. हम चाहते नहीं है लेकिन हमसे हो जाता है, या जो चीज चाहते हैं वो हम कर नहीं पाते हैं, लाइक दैट. ओके, सो टू हैव द कंट्रोल, you can also realize, like, if you have control over your own thoughts or your own body organs, how beautiful will be your life. Okay, so it is necessary. We must have the control over our own self. Another thing is yoga. When we hear this term yoga, so we go for the some physical exercise, pranayam, like that. So that is basically not the meditation. Pranayam exercise, that is exercise, that is physical exercise, and that is benefited, that is for the physical health. But for the emotional health, yoga is there. Yoga means connection. When two things are getting connected, we say it is yoga. When you may have gone in the first class of the mathematics, teacher taught you this is sum, this is yoga, this is yoga. Yoga means when two things are getting disconnected with each other. In yoga, two things are getting connected. Okay, and connection is also at the different level. Suppose I am speaking here and you are listening to me, and you are speaking and I am listening to you. So we are getting connected at the level of voice. Okay, at the same time, we are also we can also get connected through our thoughts. When you think about someone someone, you also get connected with that. He or she is not with you, but you can also feel him, right? Suppose there is some person, you have a very good relationship with him, or you also like him very much, or when he comes to you, or when you think about him, your face will be cheerful. Okay. एंड सपोज कोई ऐसा व्यक्ति है जिससे आपकी बनती नहीं है, या कुछ आपको उससे प्रॉब्लम है, जैसे ही उसका मन में आपकी आएगा तो वो आपके पास नहीं आया व्यक्ति, बट you will be getting some disappointed like that. You will be having feeling some bad in your stress, in your mind like that. Okay, so that person is not with you at the level of mind. So in the Srimad Bhagavad Gita or Swami Vivekananda, whatever they have described about the meditation, it is about it is something like the connection with ourselves, with that supreme being, that supreme powerhouse. So when we are getting connected with him, so that is the real meditation. इसको आप कह सकते हैं कि जो सुप्रीम फादर है, या who is the supreme personality, we say him God, Bhagwan, Khuda, Allah, whatever we say, we call him. So when we are getting connected with him, that is the real meditation. Okay. I can also give you one interesting example here. Everyone is having the phone at this time, so everyone else is also having the battery. Okay, battery, same battery is there. When it is charged, you will be talking easily. You will be watching mobile, YouTube. You will be watching video, YouTube. You will be using Facebook, WhatsApp. So many things are there. But when it is not charged, so you cannot even talk. So same thing, when we are charged, so we feel happiness, love, bliss, all these things in our lifestyle. But when we are discharged, we get some stressed or fear like that. Okay. So how we can connect, how we can charge ourselves? To charge your mobile, you see the point of light or power supply, you connect it with that, and after that you connect it with that powerhouse, so you get the light, you get the energy in that, like that. Okay, what happens, how, so similarly, how we can connect ourselves? So we need to remember him. When we remember that supreme being, but for that the real introduction of the self at the that supreme being, that is necessary. So how we can connect with that supreme personality? Okay, so this is basically the basis of meditation. When we take out some time, whatever is there, whatever when you are feeling stress, or you are even not feeling stress, to make you emotionally stressed, we need to be. We also must be having some habit of doing meditation for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. We can take out the time. So when we are getting connected with him, we can charge ourselves. So you can increase the resilience power. So to reduce the stress, one thing that is in your hand, that you can increase the inner strength. Pressure is not in your hand. So both, that is external. You go some outside. Traffic jam is there, you are getting irritated with that, so many things are there, we cannot control that. Traffic control is not in our control. Many things are not in our control, but one thing that we can do, that is we can enhance the inner strength, like, right? So should we conclude here, or we will be having 15 or 20 minutes or more? Harsh sir, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can carry on 15 minutes or 20 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir. I think in online, this is the first time that I'm taking this kind of lecture. So it may not be very. So you might be having some difficulty in that. So because most of the time, whenever I have taken the lecture, it is always physical. So that is another thing, because when we are hearing this type of lecture, vibration also matters. When we are sitting in front of the computer mobile screen, we cannot experience, it becomes difficult to experience that vibration. Okay, next thing is, when we are saying about the, this is something related to, we have discussed something about the mind, because whenever we are thinking something, और जो भी हम लोग सोच रहे होते हैं, we whatever thoughts we are creating, we जो वो vibrations हमसे radiate होते हैं, we are radiating those type of vibrations, and those vibrations make our destiny. Okay, make our personality, make our relationship, and make those vibrations are responsible for anything what is happening or what is coming from outside. So whatever types of thoughts are there, so thoughts, they are something like energy दिखती नहीं है लेकिन काम करती है, right? You are listening this voice, so you cannot see this voice, but some energy is getting transmitted from here, you are hearing from the speakers, like that. So energy works. How does the energy works? I take one very good example जो हम लोगों में हर किसी के साथ हुआ होगा जब हम लोग बचपन में होंगे, और या जो बड़े हैं उनके बच्चों के साथ ऐसे होता होगा. Many times it happens, you are in your home and your parents friend come to your home and आपको पास में खड़ा करके कई बार कहते हैं he is very irritating, he is getting annoyed so very easily, और he is most of the time watching TV, he is, आप अच्छी तरह से नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं. ऐसे कई लोगों के साथ होता है, या तो आप भी अपने बच्चों को खड़ा करके, या आपके साथ कभी ऐसे हुआ हो, कई लोगों के साथ ऐसे होता है कि खड़ा करके उनको कहेंगे कि ये ऐसे नहीं करता है, वैसे करता है, कुछ नेगेटिव उसकी बात लेके आते हैं. अब नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस, तो पेरेंट्स के मन में ये बात कितनी बार आई होगी कि बच्चा जो है वो इरिटेटिंग हो गया है, या टीवी देख रहा है, या फिर ऐसे करके कर रहा है, या पढ़ाई पर ध्यान नहीं दे रहा है. वो पेरेंट्स के मन में कई बार बात आई होगी, जिनसे वो पेरेंट्स ने कहा उनके मन में भी ये कई बार बात आई होगी, राइट? सो नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस इज दैट what kind of energy we are sending to that child. So in fact this is negative energy. So that's why after 2 or 3 years when we meet, when those same guests come to the home, they say अब तो इसका गुस्सा और भी बढ़ गया, अब तो और भी ध्यान नहीं देता है, because energy works. चाहे वो नेगेटिव एनर्जी हो वो भी काम करती है, पॉजिटिव एनर्जी वो भी काम करती है, दोनों एनर्जी काम करती है. तो what we have to do actually, हमें कभी भी एक अगर एक लाइफ स्टाइल में हम इसको ऐड कर सकें कि कभी भी कमजोरी का चिंता नहीं करना है. वी डोंट नीड टू थिंक अबाउट द वीकनेस. जो हमारा रोल मॉडल है, जैसे हम चीजों को देखना चाहते हैं, वी नीड टू थिंक लाइक दैट, कि जो हमारा रोल मॉडल है, जो हमारी जैसा हम चीजों को देखना चाहते हैं, लाइक यू आर ए वेरी गुड चाइल्ड, और यू आर ए वेरी हैप्पी चाइल्ड, you are very intelligent child, like that. You can think like that. So when we think about that, so when we are thinking about that, so it will create, थोड़ा टाइम लग सकता है, but you will be leading to the right option. लेकिन एक बिलीफ सिस्टम जनरली लोगों के मन में होता है कि कोई अगर गलत कर रहा है तो उसको that is okay, but जो थॉट्स का लेवल हो, आपको जो बाहर से आप आएंगे या जो भी चीजें होंगे, पनिशमेंट होगा, दैट्स ओके, बट जो अंदर का जो लेवल है, या लोगों से, इतने सारे लोगों से डिस्कस करना, समटाइम्स इट आल्सो हैपेंस. आई आल्सो गिव वन एग्जांपल. तो जो पनिशमेंट का भी जो फार्मूला है, वो कहीं ना कहीं एक रिफॉर्मेशन की तरफ होना चाहिए, और वो हम एक पॉजिटिव एनर्जी भेज करके ही रिफॉर्म कर सकते हैं, राइट? पनिशमेंट should not be, it is generally, most of the time we see it is generally only leads to a negative thing like that, but it should also be the positive thing. ये एनर्जी कैसे काम करती है, how does this mind power works? We also take some example. Generally we have 4 things in our life. In Hindi generally we say tan, man, dhan और जन. All over the life we are revolving, we are rotating about this: body, mind, wealth, and our family. So these four things are always we are looking for all this. Family for someone, the whole village may be the family. So so we are having this tan man dhan jan, four types of situations or external circumstances or bad circumstances may be there. So people can get the effect of pressure from all these things. Okay, so these types of challenging situations may be there. First may be related to the mind. Suppose someone has the habit of thinking very negative or just having the best thoughts like that. किसी का मन है हमेशा नेगेटिव सोचता है, स्ट्रेसफुल है, एक सिचुएशन ये हो सकती है. द सिचुएशन नंबर 1, द माइंड इज थिंकिंग नेगेटिव. ओके, जिसकी वजह से व्यक्ति को प्रॉब्लम हो कि मन हमेशा नेगेटिव सोचता है, वो पॉजिटिव नहीं सोच पाता है. एक ये प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. अनदर प्रॉब्लम इन आवर लाइफ मे बी like we have some severe disease. Okay, some severe disease may be there, like किसी को कोई बीमारी है, उसको लेकर के उसका हेल्थ है, बॉडी काम नहीं करती सही से, like that, एक ये प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. थर्ड सिचुएशन में भी आप जो भी कर रहे हैं, पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं या जो आप जॉब कर रहे हैं या बिजनेस है आपका, जो आप सक्सेस पाना चाहते हैं उतनी आपके पास सक्सेस नहीं है, आप बार बार यू आर गेटिंग फेल्ड इन दैट. सो थर्ड सिचुएशन में भी कि जो आपका कैरियर है आप उसको ठीक से नहीं बना पा रहे हैं. फोर्थ सिचुएशन में भी जिन लोगों के साथ आप रह रहे हैं जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रिलेशनशिप है, हस्बैंड वाइफ है या पेरेंट्स के साथ है, बच्चों के साथ है, कलीग्स के साथ है, जब वो आपके सामने आते हैं आपको प्रॉब्लम होती है, यू आर नॉट हैविंग गुड रिलेशनशिप विद देम. सो दीज फोर टाइप्स ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स जनरली एवरीवन इज हैविंग. किसी के पास एक तरह की होगी, किसी के पास दो तरह की, लेकिन ऐसा कोई नहीं होगा जिसके पास किसी भी तरह की कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. कोई ना कोई तरह की या तो फैमिली को लेकर के होगी, या फिर उसको करियर को लेकर के होगी, या फिर बॉडी को लेकर के होगी, या फिर सिंपल ऐसे मन नेगेटिव थॉट सोचता है. एक एक्सरसाइज कभी करके देखिएगा इसी को लेकर के. वॉट एवर we have seen the concept, we don't need to think about the weakness, we have to think about the what is our role model. तो मन के लिए भी थोड़ा आप टाइम निकाल के सोचिएगा कि किस आप क्या चाहते हैं, अपने मन को कैसे देखना चाहते हैं कि मेरा मन कैसा, हाउ शुड बी माई माइंड. ओके, उसी तरह बॉडी को भी किस तरह से देखना चाहते हैं, हाउ ब्यूटीफुल और हाउ हेल्दी यू लुक योर सेल्फ, लाइक दैट. ओके, तो कैसा आपको कभी आप जब सोचेंगे कि जो रोल मॉडल है, जो देखना चाहते हैं अपने आप को कैसे, तो उसको लेकर के उसका चिंतन, ऐसे नहीं कि मैं इतना बीमार हूँ वो चीज अभी इसको किनारे कर देते हैं, उसको करते करते तो बहुत टाइम हो गया, इसको थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस करके देखते हैं. राइट, जो रोल मॉडल है कि कैसे हम अपने जो बॉडी हो मेरी तो कैसे हो, या मेरा मन हो कैसा हो, अपने आप को कितना सक्सेसफुल देखना चाहते हैं कि हाउ शुड बी माई, हाउ मच सक्सेसफुल आई शुड बी देयर, कि लाइफ में मुझे इस मुकाम तक पहुंचना है, ये चीज हो गई. फोर्थ थिंग अबाउट द रिलेशनशिप, जिनके साथ आपका रिलेशन है बनती नहीं, लेकिन देयर आर सो मेनी रिलेशंस, आप बहुत सारे रिलेशंस होंगे जो इतने इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, आप एक किनारे भी कर सकते हैं कि भाई हमारी उनसे बनती नहीं, क्या लेना देना. लेकिन बहुत सारे रिलेशनशिप हैं, आप उनको किनारे नहीं कर सकते हैं, आप लाइफ टाइम के लिए रिलेशनशिप होते हैं, साथ में रहना ही है. तब आप सोचिए कि अगर आप कैसा चाहते हैं कि अगर मेरी लाइफ ब्यूटीफुल हो, तो हाउ माई रिलेशन शुड बी विद हिम और हर. राइट, तो उसका पहले रोल मॉडल देखिए और फिर क्या करिए, एक एक्सपीरियंस करिए कि ये चीज है. जनरली हम लोगों के यहाँ नॉर्दर्न इंडिया में कल्चर होता है, जब छोटे बच्चे बड़ों का पैर छूते हैं तो कहते हैं खुश रहो. एक मन जो है ना वो बहुत ज्यादा, उसको लिए क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए, आप कब खुश रहो, 10 साल बाद खुश रहो, 20 साल बाद खुश रहो, कि मरने के बाद खुश रहो, मन के लिए क्लैरिटी. तो उसको ये थॉट देना है तुम वही ऐसे मन एक इसके जो मन के लिए थॉट करना है कि माई माइंड इज वेरी ब्लिसफुल, बहुत आनंद से भरपूर मेरा मन है, मेरा मन बहुत शांत है और स्टेबल है, लाइक दैट. बॉडी भी बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत खूबसूरत है और बहुत ही हेल्दी है, कोई डिसीज नहीं है, लाइक दैट. उसी तरह कैरियर है, माना उस मुकाम को मैं पा रहा हूँ और पूरी तरह से सक्सेस पाता जा रहा हूँ, लाइक दैट. ओके, जिनके साथ रिलेशनशिप है आप उसको लेके आएंगे सामने. जो भी हम सोच रहे होते हैं सबसे पहले तो वो फील हमको होने लगता है. जैसा आपको, आप कभी देखें कि यू आर नॉट फीलिंग गुड, माना आपकी थॉट्स की क्वालिटी खराब है, सीधी सी बात है. अगर आपको फील अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है, आपकी थॉट्स की क्वालिटी खराब है. इफ यू आर थिंकिंग बैड, you will be having bad feeling. If you are thinking good, you will be having good feeling. सीधा सीधा कॉन्सेप्ट है. सेकेंड थिंग, वट एवर यू आर थिंकिंग, योर ईच एंड एवरी थॉट वाइब्रेट्स योर सेल्स ऑफ द बॉडी. जो आपके बॉडी के सेल्स को वो वाइब्रेट करता है. जो आपकी बॉडी आज ऐसी भी है जो डिजीज है, ये साइंटिफिकली प्रूव भी हुए हैं. डॉक्टर्स लोग भी कहते हैं कि जो बॉडी में जो भी बीमारियां हैं उसके पीछे आपकी माइंड में या जो भी नेगेटिव थॉट्स हैं वो रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. एट द सेम टाइम देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल जिनको बहुत सीवियर डिसीज थी, लेकिन उन्होंने माइंड पावर से और अपने पॉजिटिव थॉट्स से उसको ठीक किया. So mind is very energetic. Okay. And the fourth thing related to जो भी आप सोच रहे होते हैं, जिसके बारे में सोच रहे होते हैं, उस वो थॉट के जो वाइब्रेशंस हैं, जो एनर्जी है, वेदर एनर्जी विल बी जीरो, एनर्जी इज नॉट देयर. पॉजिटिव होगी या नेगेटिव होगी, जो भी सोच रहे हैं या तो वो पॉजिटिव थॉट होगा या नेगेटिव थॉट होगा. ये किसी के बारे में भी या तो पॉजिटिव सोच रहे होंगे या नेगेटिव, वो जीरो थॉट नहीं होता है. या तो सोच ही नहीं रहे हैं, किसी के बारे में भी सोच रहे हैं, तो पॉजिटिव एनर्जी है तो भी उस व्यक्ति के पास पहुंचती, वो वाइब्रेशंस उसके पास पहुंचते हैं और उसी का आपके पास रिएक्शंस होता है. कई बार मेनी टाइम्स यू विल आल्सो सी कि आपने उनसे कुछ बोला नहीं है, कुछ कहा नहीं है, लेकिन यू फील कि उसका जो बिहेवियर था वो मेरे थॉट्स के इक्विवेलेंट था. मेनी टाइम्स वी थिंक लाइक दैट. ओके, सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट फॉर दिस लेक्चर. आई थिंक should we stop here? Harsh sir?
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. It was very useful lecture, and participants will enjoy lots of things. And for the stress management, I think there are lots of scope. And what you have told that energy vibration and our human behavior, it is very important for us. So thank you, sir, for giving your time for us.
Thank you very much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. And thank you very much, sir. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, participants, so this is the end of the first day of this FDP. Tomorrow we have 3 lectures as given in the schedule. At 10:30, first lecture from Professor Soumyadeo Mathi. It is he is from the Indian Institute of Information Technology, Allahabad. So we will meet at 10:30, 5 to 10 minutes before. Around 10:15, I will schedule at 10:15, but session will start at 10:30. Then after that another lecture, and after the third lecture is scheduled after the lunch. So there is 3 lectures tomorrow onwards. So thank you all the participants. If you have any queries, then please ask. Yes, new link will be provided just after half an hour. I will provide the links to your email, WhatsApp, and all these things. And all the PPTs and recordings I will provide you to the mail, and also it will be available on the AICT Atal portal. Also, all the recordings and PPTs, and I will also provide all the details and all the expert. Some people ask for the experts contact number. I will provide the contact details of all the experts. So okay, so we will meet at 10:30 tomorrow. All the best. Stay safe. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.